Good morning, my name is May Joy from Simplifying Life Australia. I do videos in Karen language. It's very important for us to have video resources in Karen language. A lot of Karen people don't read and write. A lot of us come from mountainous region and from refugee camp. So a lot of concepts here in Australia are new to us and we have a lot to learn. It's very important to us to have useful video resources in our language. In my channel, I talk about living sustainably, helping the environment, family, relationship, and money. These are important information. I often get at least 1,000 views on Facebook each day. This is very important. A lot of people send me messages and comment and ask for more information. That's why there is a need for such information relevant to us here, for us current people here in Australia. I look forward to collaborating with Utopia Clinic and Studio Cattle in making useful resources, informative video resources for current people here in Australia, especially information that are useful and are correct to help current people to live in a COVID normal world. And this is important because there are a lot of misinformation and conspiracies out there on the internet. It's important to have someone like Dr. Lester from Utopia Clinic, who is well known, well respected by the current people here in Victoria, especially here in Victoria. I know that current people will listen to him because he's got a great reputation and he has helped so many current people, tens of thousands of current people here. So people are very appreciative of him, and the information coming from him will be respected. It's also important to work with Studio Cattle to come up with creative videos and videos that are culturally appropriate and culturally understanding, and also it's information that are relevant for current people here in Australia. I hope the project is successful, and I can't wait to hear more. I can't wait to collaborate with Utopia Clinic and Studio Cattle. All the very best. Thank you.